Good afternoon. I'm Rod Jenkins, Director of the Durham County Department of Public Health. Since my last video on Saturday, there have been 38 new COVID-19 cases in Durham County, for a total of 141 current cases. Our stay-at-home order has gone into effect. I know you all have questions, may be bored at home, and many of you have asked how you can get involved. Today, I will briefly answer your questions, and I'll let you know of a fun and easy way you can get involved from home. As explained in my last video, the stay-at-home order requires Durham residents to stay at home except for essential activities like going to the grocery store, pharmacy, or an essential job. But I want to clear up a few questions we've received. First, the stay-at-home order does not establish a curfew. The order is in effect 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Please stay at home as much as possible and at all times. Second, we want to remind you that food banks, the American Red Cross, and other charitable organizations are still open to serve you, but high-risk volunteers should stay at home. And finally, some of you may not understand why it's necessary to stay at home if you are not considered high risk. It's simple. Staying at home not only protects yourself, but also protects others. Although young people and those with no pre-existing conditions are not considered high risk, you are also not immune. People of all ages and health histories can and have become seriously ill from COVID-19. Even if you decide not to stay home and you become mildly ill with COVID-19, you may pass your illness to others who may experience much more serious illness. I'd also like to share with you a fun way that you can help spread the word about social distancing from home. Take a short video or a photo of yourself and tell us in a video or the caption why staying at home is important to you. Include the hashtag #DoYourThingDurham in the caption. If you share a video, you may be included in a larger video we're making with some surprise Durham heroes. For information, visit our website or social media, or check out the slide at the end of this video. It's an easy way to do your thing to help spread the word about the importance of social distancing. Beating COVID-19 will take all of us working together. So stay home. Take care of yourselves and one another. Call your friend and loved ones and find a fun new activity to try while at home. We will get through this together.